Tronlink Wallet offers the best trading experience for all TRC20 tokens. It fully supports Tron ecosystem, has over 10 million active users, and the best wallet so far for Tron network. So in this video, I will guide you through setting up your Tronlink wallet efficiently without wasting much of your time. Let's get started. So step 1, first download Tronlink Wallet from the App Store, Google Play Store, or as a browser extension for Chrome, Brave, or Firefox. But I do recommend you go through the official website, which is tronlink.org. And when it brings you down to this place, click on install. For me, I am focusing on the mobile device, so I'll be installing directly to my phone right now. So I've installed mine. The next step is to open the wallet. So I'll click on open. Now that brings us to step 2, and that is to create a wallet. So if you already have an existing wallet, click on import wallet. But if you don't, use the create wallet. So I'll click on create wallet and I will click on I understand, but I do recommend you read through, and then you have to accept this user agreement. It's very long, just scroll down, but make sure you spend time to read it. But for the sake of time, I will just skip and then scroll down and I will click on agree to the terms, don't ask me again. Now is to set up your wallet. So the first thing is to set up your wallet. So you start by setting up your wallet name. For me, I will choose Gibeni. And the next is to enter a password. So you choose a strong password that should have uppercase, number, lowercase, and at least 8 characters. And a situation where you don't get it correct, any of these options here is going to show you right. So you have to re-enter again. And once you've done that, the next is to click on this box here and then create. So next is the security shell. So you click on setup recommended. And now here is your numeric phrase. Remember that anyone with this numeric phrase can access your funds. So please keep the information to yourself, meaning that this is the only access to your wallet. If you expose it to anybody anywhere, someone can hack your wallet. So make sure you keep it very safe. And I do recommend you write them in a piece of paper and keep it very safe. So I click on view, and here are my 12 words, and these 12 words are my numeric phrase. So I'll click on copy. So once you've written them down, you can click on already backed up. Now I have to fill these questions. I'm asked to fill in number 1, number 3, and then number 7. So number 1 in my list is label, which is here. Choose the number 1 word, label, and then number 3 is declare. So I'll come to number 3 and I'll click clean. And then number 7 is balance, and I'll click balance. I'll click on complete, explore Tronlink. So I've automatically created my wallet. So what is the next thing to do? Okay, so the next thing to do is to fund your wallet. But up here, you can see that you have 0 TRX, and then you can see your wallet address here. You can see send, receive, swap, stake, those functions. So I've successfully created my wallet, but I do not have any money. That is why you see $0 and 0 TRX. And then below is my wallet address. If I click on copy here, I've copied the wallet address that I'll be sending my funds to. And then here is send. If I want to send out any money from here, TRS, USDT, anyone, I'll click on send. And if I want to receive, I'll click on receive. My wallet will still appear, the same wallet you saw up there, this same wallet here. And if I want to swap any coin, I can swap any coin here, maybe Tron to USDT and the amount. So that is how we can do that here. If you want to stake, use the stake option. All right, so I will need to make a deposit of a little money, and then we can now use the Dex section. So for me to deposit, I'll click on receive, then I will scan. I want to scan. So I just funded 1000 TRX, and the equivalent is $131. Now say I want to trade or I want to buy any coin. I'll come to discover here, and then you have 2 official websites I'm going to use. I'll come to the place you see search or type type URL. Say I want to buy a coin. I will use the DEX, which the official DEX, the most popular one is Sunswap. You can see it here, sunswap.com. Okay, say I want to buy a coin right now. So the first thing I need to do is to connect my wallet. I'll click on wallet, then I'll click on Tronlink. Now my wallet is connected because you can see my balance up here. Say I want to buy a particular coin, and I'll have to come with the contract address or the name, but I usually recommend you go through the contract address. So let me go to DEX tools, and then I'll come to all chains. I'll click on Tron, and let's say I want to buy Sundog. I'll click on Sundog, and then the contract address is up here. I'll click on the contract address here, and then I'll come back to sunswap.com, and I will click on select a token, and I will paste the contract address here. The Sundog pops up. I'll click on it, and then this is the time to buy. I have to choose the exact amount I want to use. So I want to use 500 Tron to buy it. It's going to give me 1418.15 Sundog. Then I'll click on swap. I'll click on confirm. Then I'll click on next. Then I have to enter the password I used when I set up this account. So you must know it. So expanding now is completed. I've bought Sundog. I have to go back by coming back and then click on assets and then refresh. It's not going to show. What I will do is to click on this plus sign you are seeing beside preference, and then you see Sundog below here. Add it to your asset list. Now my balance will not show, but I will see the amount of Sundog that I have. So this is basically how you can buy it. Right now, not most of them shows their balance because it's a new project, and with time they're going to update other informations. And say I want to sell, I'll still pass through the same method by clicking on discover, go to the same Sunswap, and then this time I have to click on this arrow here and then select the coin I want to sell, Sundog maximum. So I am now selling it back to TROX. I'll click on swap, confirm, the same procedure. I have to put in my password, confirm swap. So my transaction is completed. So the next is to go back, come back here. So just refresh, then my money will return back. So I actually lost some money because of the transaction fees. Say I want to send this money out. I'll click on send, copy the wallet address I want to send it to, and I will paste it here, then complete the transaction. Mind you, contract address is to buy, a wallet address is to send token in or out. This is basically how you can use Tronlink to trade, send, and receive. I'll be making another video explaining how you can use the pump on fun aspect of this. So if you find this video interesting, why not give me a follow, share this video, and that will encourage me to make more videos like this. Thank you.